In ancient times, our people of Samoa, they worship many gods. Gods of nature, gods of land, gods of sea and sky. Talalelei, the supreme God, looked over all. These were times of darkness, times of wars, fighting amongst the children of men. One day, High Chief Anetere'a searched for a higher power. There, the goddess of Nafanua prophesied that one day a kingdom will come. This kingdom will not be of this earth, but come from heaven. And when it does, Sāmoan will welcome the newborn and bring lightness to the dark. Many centuries later, the prophecy of Nafanua was fulfilled in the year of 1830. John Williams and the London Missionary Society arrived to the kingdom of Samoa. And with them, they brought the gospel of Jesus Christ. They taught Anetere'a, and that is when he proclaimed that there will only be one chief, and that chief is Jesus Christ. Till this day, Samoa remains a Christian nation, and for over a century, we have not fought any wars, and we still live in peace. To God be the glory forever and ever. Amen. Talalelei, Tasi, Ba!
Talalelei, ole tala